In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use YouTube in mobile like on your PC. Okay, so you can't actually do that within the actual YouTube app itself. So what you have to do is you have to hop out of the YouTube app, then you want to open Google Chrome. Okay, and then you want to go to YouTube in your browser. So you can see kind of looks similar to the app right now, but if I want it to look like just like it looks on the PC, then you just have to tap those three vertical dots at the top right hand corner. Tap on that and then you'll see the option here that says desktop site. Okay, this is going to make YouTube look like the PC. So if I enable desktop site, you can see now it loads up and it looks exactly like it would look on the PC. So you'll have to zoom it in as you are using the YouTube like this, but you have all the functionality like you would on the PC. And you can see all your notifications at the top right. You can have all those options on the left hand side. You can use the search bar like you would on a PC. And that's basically all you have to do. So if you want to get out of here, all you have to do is tap those three dots again. Then you uncheck desktop site. And then it goes back to the regular YouTube. Okay, so that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.